Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. We're here today to unbox a NOVOO or NOVOO, I'm not sure how you would exactly say it. It's a 67 watt, claimed 67 watt GaN wall charger. So I'll do a bit of a talk also. I'll show you what's in here. Shouldn't be any surprise what's going to be in the box. And then I'll just have a bit of a talk about it and why I've chosen this. So it comes with a user manual, which I'll keep in the box. There's nothing else in the box there. A plastic placeholder. So actually I'll leave the plastic out. Let's just sit the box here on the table so you can see that. No surprises here. Let me just show you the actual unit. So I wasn't sure when I bought this. I thought it may have had removable plugs so that you could slide on, different ones for Europe or USA, etc. But it's just with the Australian style plug, which is the same as China from memory. So yeah, but the size of this is quite compact. Let me give you an idea. I don't know if you've got a DJI Nano, but a Nano is quite a small camera, and you can see from this cover, it's not really much different compared to a DJI Nano. You can compare it to my box cutter knife. It's quite small. Even my fingers are quite small, but part of the reason which I thought this would be all right, because it looks small, the dimensions seem to be small when I read about it. It's got a reasonable amount of weight to it, so I'd expect that it probably can perform as claimed. So you've got 2 PD outputs here and 1 USB-A. Now, if you plug in, you're not going to get 67 watts out of each one of these things. The 67 watts, or whatever it actually is going to be shared between these. So if you've got one item in here, you'll get your 67 watts. If you've got 2, it's going to share it between them. But as you can probably see from that size, I travel quite often, and this is a really good size. Also, if you're plugging into certain outlets, this doesn't have anything. A lot of them are larger here than the actual outlet, and you can have trouble plugging them into some areas. This should plug into pretty much anywhere. It's nice and compact, small, good for traveling. So yeah, I'll be testing this out. If you've got any questions, feel free to put it in the comments, and I'll go through them. Please like and subscribe. If you got any value out of the video, then you can give it a thumbs up. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.